Good morning and Jai Hind to all dear students. Welcome to Saraswati Sishu Kunj Bhagwala course on English medium standard 5th subject maths. Today we are going to continue chapter number 11, area and boundaries. In previous video we had seen about area and perimeter. We learned about area and perimeter as well as their formulas. In this video we are going to learn in detail about area and perimeter. Okay, so let's begin the chapter. You can see here a rectangular box and one stamp in it. Now what we have to do, we have to find out how many this stamp covers in these whole rectangles. Means we have to find out how many square stamp can be occupied, that we have to find out. So to find out, we require a scale. First of all, what you will do, you will measure the boundaries of a rectangle. You will measure the boundaries of the rectangle. You know how to measure boundaries with the help of scale. So you have to measure the boundaries of a rectangle and you have to mention their length and breadth. After writing length and breadth, you have to divide the squares. How you will divide? You can see the measurement is 14 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 14 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Now you have to divide like this in a squares. Now if you count the number of square, you will come to know the area of the rectangle. Okay, so you can easily find out that how many stamp will cover in the given rectangle. Okay, now we have an exercise. This exercise we have to solve on the basis of the given rectangle. Okay, so let us solve this exercise. Now, okay, so we have solved the following questions based on the following rectangle. You can see on the right side of your screen. Now, let's read one by one and let us solve one by one. Measure the yellow rectangle. Now we have to measure the yellow rectangle's length. What is the length of the given rectangle? So if we measure with the help of scale, we get 14 centimeter. So the length is 14 centimeter. Now, second question, how many stamps can be placed along its length? Now, if we place the stamp in one line of a length, then how many stamps we can place? So we can place 7 stamps. We can place 7 stamps. You can see in the slide, or you can see in your on your screen. Now, C number. How wide is the rectangle? Now we have to measure the width of a rectangle. So let us measure it. If you see here, you will come to know the measurement of the width is 8 centimeter. So we have to write here 8 centimeter. Now, how many stamps can be placed along with its width? So you can see we can place 4 stamps along with its width. So here we have to write 4. Now, next question. How many stamps are needed to cover the rectangle? Means, so if you see the figure and if you count the number of stamps, you will come to know that how many stamps will cover in the whole rectangle. So 28 rectangle will cover. 7 4s are 28. So total 28 stamps will cover in the whole rectangle. Now next, what is the area of the rectangle? Now if we want to find the area, so we know the formula, area is equals to length into breadth. Length is 14 centimeter and width is 8 centimeter. So 7 into 14, that is 112. So answer is 112 square centimeter. Okay. Next question. what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Okay, now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we know the formula, perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So L is equals to 14 and B is equals to 8. So 14 plus 8 is equals to 22. 22 into 2, that is 44. So perimeter of the rectangle is 44 centimeter. Now we will go to next problem. Okay, now we have practice time questions, word problems. So we are going to solve this word problem one by one. So let's read first number word problem. Arbaz plan to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter. Means here side of the tile is 10 centimeter. His kitchen is 220 centimeter in length and 180 centimeter wide. How many tiles will we need? Now here length of kitchen is given, breadth of kitchen is given, and also side of tiles given. So let us write what is given. Side given, side of tiles, that is 10 centimeter. Okay. Then we have length of kitchen, that is 220 centimeter, and also we have width, or we can say breadth. So breadth of the kitchen is equal to 180 centimeter. Now to find out the answer, we have to find out the area of tile as well as area of kitchen. Then after we will come to know what is the area of, or then only we can find the number of tiles we can fix in the kitchen. Okay, kitchen room. Okay. Then only we can find out how many tiles we can fit in the floor of kitchen. Okay, so let us find out first area of tiles. So area of tiles is equals to, okay, now tile is in a square form, so we can write side multiplied by side. Side is equal to how much given? 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, that is 100. 100 square centimeter. So the area of tile is 100 square centimeter. Now we have to find area of kitchen floor. So area of floor is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Now length is how much given? This is length. Okay, and this is breadth. So length is equals to 220 and breadth is equals to 180. So we can multiply 220 into 180. That is the area is 39600 square centimeter. Now we have to find number of tiles. Number of tiles tile in a floor. So we can write number of tiles is equals to area of kitchen upon area of tiles. So we can write what is area of kitchen? 39600 upon 100. So if we cut 0 0, so what is remain? 396. What is remain? 396. So 396 tile will fit in the roof. Therefore 396 tiles fit on the floor of kitchen. Okay. Once again, therefore 396 tiles fit on the floor of a kitchen. So this is the answer number 1. Now let's move to answer number. Now let's move to second number one problem. What is second number one problem? The fencing of a square garden is 200 meter in length. How long is one side of the garden? After reading the question, we come to know that here perimeter of a garden is given. What is the length of the side is not given. That only we have to find. How long is one side of the garden? Means we have to find the side. So we already learned in previous video the formula of side. How to find the side. So that formula will be applied here and we will find the answers. First of all, what is given? That we will write given. Perimeter is given. Perimeter is equals to how much given? 20 meter. Perimeter is given 20. Now we have to find side. We have to find side. So I am doing here question mark. So what was the formula we learned in previous video? That side is equals to 1/4 multiplied by perimeter. So here perimeter we already have, so we will place that value. So is equals to 1/4 multiplied by this 20. So 20 meter. Okay. Now in 4 table when 20 come? 4 5s are 20. Now 1 5s are 5. 1 into 5 that is 5. So answer is 5 meter. So side is equals to 5 meter. We can say the side of the square garden is 5 meter. Okay. Now we will move to third number word problem. Third number question, C number question. A thin wire 20 cm long is formed into a rectangle. If the width of this rectangle is 4 cm, what is the length? Now, if you understand this word problem, we will come to know that here width is given. Width is given, that is 4 cm. But we have to find the length of a rectangle. Okay. Here one wire is there. That wire is folded into rectangle and the width of a rectangle is given. Here wire is there which is folded into rectangle. Width is given 4 cm. But length is not given. Length is not given. Width is given, means breadth is given, but length is not given, means we have to find length. Okay. And also perimeter is given. Perimeter is also given. Perimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. So what is given here? We can say that given perimeter is equals to 20 centimeter, side is given, means width is given. So we can say width is equals to 4 centimeter. Now we have to find length. So length is equal to how much, that we have to find. So in the previous video we learned how to find length. That formula we learned. So formula is like this. Length is equals to 1/2 multiplied by perimeter minus width. Okay. So formula is length is equals to 1/2 multiplied by perimeter minus width. If we want to write here breadth, then also we can write here we have written width because here what is given width, that's why we have written width. Now let us place value of perimeter and width. So 1/2 multiplied by perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 20 centimeter minus what is width given? Width is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So now in 2 table where 20 come? 2 1s are 2 and 2 10s are 20. 2 2 1. Okay. And this 20 also what? 2 10s are 20. So what is remain? 10. So we can write 1 into 10 centimeter minus 4 centimeter. Okay. Now 10 ones are 10. 10 centimeter minus 4 centimeter. So 10 minus 4 how much? 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 centimeter is our answer. Means length is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, so we can write the length of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. Now we will see next number, D number. A square carom board has a perimeter of 320 centimeter. Means here the perimeter of carom board is given, that is 320 centimeter. How much is its area? What is given here? Perimeter is given, that is 320 centimeter. We have to find area. Okay, before we find area, we have to find the side of a square. Here square is there, so we have to find the side also. So we have to find side also. Okay, so two things we have to find, area as well as side. So to find the side, we know the formula. What is the formula to finding side? Side is equals to 1 upon 4 multiplied by perimeter. Okay, so now let's place the value of perimeter in the formula. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 320 centimeter. Now in 4 table when 32 come, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, and this 0 we will replace with 8. So 80 is the answer. So 4 80s are 320. So now we have 80. So side is equals to 80 centimeter. Okay. Now we get the side of a square carom. Now we have to find the area of a square carom. So we know that area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. So now let's place the value of now let us place the value of side. Side is equals to 80 centimeter. So let us place the value 80 centimeter multiplied by. Okay. Now we will multiply 80 centimeter into 80 centimeter. So 8 8s are how much? 8 8s are 64. In this 2 0 we will place that side. So answer is 6400 square centimeter. Okay. So this is the answer of area of a square carom. So we get two things, side of a carom as well as area of the square carom. Okay. Hope you have understood all the 4 word problems.